Welcome back to our channel, guys. This could be the best ever video to make millions within a year. Okay, just I'm sharing a simple shortcut, guys. 3 coins, you can make 3 millions. It's very simple, right? Just 3 coins, you can make 3 millions. It's a simple strategy, guys. I just follow the things, and so you can make millions of dollars in this upcoming bull run, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so the first coin, okay, I'm sharing here 3 coins that you can make 3 millions. Okay, so the first coin will be none other than Kadena, guys. Okay, so I'm just sharing a lot of times in our channel. We made a lot of video. The first coin will be Kadena. Okay, $2.161 right now it is trading. So this is the best way to enter right now. $2 is the best range. Whatever you are accumulating position is happening here. So the things whatever you have to do, you should accumulate this Kadena coin in your portfolio, minimum 1,000 coins. Okay, 1,000 will be around $2,000. This is what the best range. Okay, 1,000 will be around, yeah, $2,000. This is a simple strategy. Okay, so 1,000 coins you should hold in your portfolio. Okay, the first coin will be Kadena, and the second coin will be none other than, you all know that, Gala Games. Hope you heard about Gala Games coin. Okay, Gala Games, a lot of gaming options coming in the Gala Games platform. So Gala Games is also a good option. So it went up to more than 50 rupees in the last bull run. So right now it is trading below 7 rupees. Okay, INR, so $0.059, guys. Okay, Gala, this is the second coin that you can make millions of dollars with this coin. Okay, so this is also best entry to make in the upcoming bull run. Okay, this is also best entry rate. Okay, this you won't get more than cheap rate from this position. Okay, so this is the second coin that you can make millions. Okay, so the third coin will be none other than Flex coin. Okay, Flex coin is already more than 40% up recently. Okay, today it was more than 40% up. So this is the best way to enter. Okay, once the market is dumping, you can make an entry. Okay, right now it is more than 22% up, so don't make entry right now. Once it is bleeding, okay, once it is red zone, you can buy, you can make an entry at that time. Okay, this is the best way to enter. Okay, so I hope you understand about the Flex position. Okay, why? Because Flex is always partnership with Kadena team. Okay, Kadena ecosystem as well as Kadena team, Flex is always partnership with. So once the Kadena is pumping, this Flex also used to pump similar like Kadena. Okay, this is what so similar, like there is a bonding between these two coins. Okay, if Kadena is pumping today, tomorrow will be the Flex will be pumping. Okay, this is what the best idea. So once Kadena pumping, Flex is also within a few days it will pump more and it will give millions of dollars. Okay, so this is the best way to enter. So guys, I hope you understand. So the first coin will be none other than Kadena, and the second coin will be none other than Gala Games. Okay, this is what the thing, and the third coin will be Flex. Okay, you all understand, this is a 3 coin. Okay, just I'm just sharing here, guys. Just you should add 1,000 coins, 1,000 Kadena, 1,000 Gala, and 1,000 Flex coin. This is the best way to make an entry. Just 3 coins. Okay, probably I'll show you 1,000 Kadena worth of $2,200. Okay, and Flex will be worth of $1,730. Okay, and Gala will be worth of 5,000 will be $59. Okay, this is what the worth. Okay, totally around around $3,000. Okay, just totally around the investment will be just $3,000, guys. Okay, just $3,000, that you can make 3 millions. Okay, just 3 coins you should add it in your portfolio with 1,000 coins. Portfolio total amount is $3,000. Okay, like split, you can make 3 into 3, like 1,000 you can split it, and with 3 coins you can make 3 millions of dollars in the upcoming bull run. Okay, so I hope you understand the potential and growth of the coin. Okay, this is the best way to make an entry right now. 3 coins you can make 3 millions of dollars, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand the potential as well as the best way to make an entry. So don't miss it. Just immediately just get into the portfolio, add it in your coins, and wait for the rally and make 3 coins into 3 millions and become